I love that these spoon rests are made from the highest quality commercial grade 18x8 stainless steel for durability. That means I don't have to worry with the rust prevention or dishwashing use over time, and the premium materials ensure that it's going to last through countless cooking sessions. In case the spoon heats up, the stainless steel can accommodate high temperature cookware, which I appreciate. This thing has become a true essential in my kitchen. It's such a simple yet invaluable tool that just basically keeps my countertops clean while cooking. I'm not having to worry about the messy splatters and drips and spills to deal with when I'm already tired from cooking dinner at the end of the day. The shape is designed to actually pool any drips or sauces or residue. It just keeps everything contained so that the area around my stovetop stays pretty spotless. They not only look stylish, but they're also stable. It's incredibly fast and easy. One tiny little spoon rest versus cleaning an entire kitchen counter, making cooking just a little bit more enjoyable. After a meal, the last thing I want to do is struggle with a massive cleanup, so the spoon rest is dishwasher safe, making everything a breeze. In all, I just love that this kitchen tool simplifies my cooking experience. It's not just functional, it's also cute and stylish. It's durable, it makes cleanup easy, it contains the mess. For me, it's a must-have. It also comes in a larger size if that's helpful. I would say I'd definitely buy it again, but it's been so durable, I don't think I'll ever have to.